So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to convert a page to a mobile layout. So for this tutorial, I have made one small dashboard. This is basically a superstore dashboard. The card is showing total sales generated and the donut chart is showing sales by category. So as you guys can see, almost 62% of sales is generated by office supplies category and the rest 38% of the sales is generated by technology category. So let's see how we can convert this page into a mobile layout. So to do this, go to view, click on mobile layout. So on the right hand side, all the visualizations are available. So basically in the page layout, I had three visuals, one text box, one card and one donut chart. Now we have to just arrange them in the mobile layout. So let's say we take this text box first and arrange them over here. Let's resize it. Then take card, arrange it over here, again resizing it, and the last thing is donut chart. So as you guys can see, we have successfully converted the page layout to a mobile layout. We just have to arrange all the visuals in proper format in mobile layout in order to make them look good. So in this way, we can convert a page to a mobile layout. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.